12551 11th Ave Northwest. We're looking at the kitchen line now. Right side of your screen would be the southwest corner of the home. Is where the kitchen line's wrapping around the back side of the house there. So that's the turn. They use a Y for a turn. That's as far as I'm going to be able to see going upstream from this line, or this clean out. All intact, concrete pipe. Actually looks to be in decent condition. Sometimes you'll see them more beat up on the sewer if somebody's pouring a bunch of Drano and stuff like that down the line. But and there again, that's where your sewer coming in on the right side there. That's that big root there.
So this is where you put the line in. Would that go just around the root there, or how does that?
Cut the root out first. So I looked at it. So like I said, 30 feet's the minimum for liner. From here, where we would dig, to that plastic, 20 feet. So this would be 20 feet of the liner. And then from here back up, it's like 14, 15 to the cast iron back this direction. So you would, by digging here, you would create, you'd solve this problem with the turn. That gap pipe, or that you had some splitting, you'd solve that. And then you'd also take care of this 20-foot section, so it'd be 35 feet. But you would take care of these two. I mean, you're knocking out multiple birds here with one stone. This is. We can go down a little bit. You got channel lines, buddy. Yeah. Please.
So you're digging down, you cut that out from the inside?
Dig down to the pipe right there. So cut out like a 4x4 so section of concrete.
Yeah.
Dig down to the pipe. What we're going to find in the hole is a Y, basically where this branch arm's coming in and this sucker's going this way. Install the liner, basically push it down and shove it into place. Down, lift into the PVC down there after we cut the root out, so the liner's going to take the shape of the pipe it's going into. So clean the root out totally, set the liner in, and then set the same thing
So
in.
cleaning the root out, though, you get that from the inside, or you don't
Yeah,
have to dig
yeah.
down? Okay.
No, from the, cut it out using a hydro jetter, basically cut out the root, and then I install the liner. Did you give me channel locks?
There you go.
All right, coming back from the main now, still at 12551 here. There's the city main. We're going to come back from that point. We're in 6-inch diameter concrete pipe now. Here's our 4-inch by 6-inch transition point. That's that turn kind of right past that tree. Going from 4-inch to 6-inch there. Slight turn there. And back into the PVC. Yeah, I mean, it's all the same original concrete pipe, but it's in better shape than this initial stretch here.
So I guess that's what I was going to ask then. Same age, in a little better shape. It's just a matter of time before we're about that section.
Yeah, definitely.
How long?
Just to give you an idea of what. So if we wanted to do like the whole thing at one fell swoop, have to locate it, but we'd probably be digging at that 4" by 6" transition point and digging at that point. And then you could line everything except the kitchen line going around the house.
Okay.
You could basically line this whole stretch and then line the 6" down to the main.
All right, but that's a whole nother dig. So it doesn't have, it could be done.
It could be done separately. I mean, all we're talking there is a permit. Obviously, well,